Recently, I have received a bunch of questions on how to do Quora with affiliate marketing. Some people are complaining that their answers are being hidden. Some people are saying that they might be risking getting banned. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I would go about doing Quora in 2022. Make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, as you know, Quora is simply a question and answer site where people are from around the world are going and answering and asking questions, and then fellow users are coming by and asking and answering questions. So it's kind of that cyclical thing. It's really nice for the most part because you can answer questions on just about anything. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have authority in the space. You can just go through and answer questions. Now, what I want to do real quick is show you my lifetime stats on Quora. I have over 71,000 views, 674 upvotes. So upvotes are like likes over on Facebook, 58 comments, so people responding to my comment, and 14 shares. Shares let Quora know and other people know that this is high quality content. As you can see here on the screen here, I actually haven't uploaded in Quora in some time, but you can see I'm still getting consistent views and people are still upvoting. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are answering questions and solving problems where people are going to be willing to upvote. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to use the assistance of another piece of software that's going to make our life much easier. What I've done is I've jumped over to a keyword research tool called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool. You can start using it for 7 days for $7 if you can't afford the monthly subscription. Now, the cool thing is if you export this, you will actually have access to all of this information, and this tutorial will still help you. So what I've done is I've typed in Quora.com, and then after I typed in Quora.com, I went and took a look at the organic keywords that they already rank for. So we clicked on organic keywords. They rank for over 133 million keywords, and so we're going to click on that. And what I've done, and I'm going to have to block some of this out because some of it is adult in nature, is I've actually changed the position to 10 or less. So we only want to answer questions that show up on the first page of Quora. And then we also want to change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. And once again, these are going to be not too difficult keywords, but this is going to give us an opportunity. And the final thing that we can do is we can enter in our niche. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to simply type in affiliate marketing. And when I do that, it's going to sort it even more. As you can see, there are over 200 questions where people are typing in about affiliate marketing. And what we can do, as you can see here, and then I'm actually going to remove one thing here because it is a little bit graphic. So now that you can see that, you can see there are people asking questions about affiliate marketing, 15-day challenge affiliate marketing, best solo ads. What you want to do is you want to simply just go through and answer the questions. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the URL, as you can see here, and it's going to take me right over to the answer. And then what you want to do is simply just answer the question. Believe it or not, you can answer this question. Now, I can just click answer. This is going to save me a lot of time. In previous years or previous videos, I would tell you to go to Quora, and then I would tell you to search your niche, affiliate marketing, like this, affiliate marketing, like this, hit enter, and then go over to questions. And then once you're in questions, you can sort by the last day or so. Now, you can still follow this method if you aren't using the other method that I recommend, but if you follow this suggestion, you're able to find low competition keywords that rank on the first page of Google. And the reason why you want first page of Google is because most people don't go to the second or third page. And so if you do it this way, this allows you to skip a lot of the trial and error, and you can just simply go through and answer the questions. Now, when it comes to answering these questions, you want to make sure that you are answering these questions in the form of a blog post. And so you want to make sure that you are spending a little bit of time thinking about the question and making sure that you are providing a detailed answer. And if you don't know the answer to the question, you can simply go over and Google it. Now, I don't want you to just steal other people's content. You want to summarize what you found and report back. And then here is the key, and this is where a lot of people struggle and get hung up. With Quora, you cannot, absolutely cannot, will not, should not put affiliate links in Quora. If you do that, you will be banned. Your content will be removed. You will get a nasty gram. You'll get an email saying that your content was removed because you violate the terms of service. And so what you want to do is you want to link to a blog post, a YouTube channel, or to your landing page. Now, I've had success doing these three things. If I had to rank them, I would do a YouTube video first, a landing page second, and then a blog post. So you simply will write your answer. What percentage of people actually complete the Legendary Marketer 15-day challenge? What I would do is I would say, while they don't give out the specifics, I can tell you that most people complete around 6 or 7. From my experience, most people complete 6 or 7, and then give a few reasons why. And then on top of that, you want to give some information about Legendary Marketer, who it's for and who it isn't for. Now, what I would do here is on my third sentence here, I would say, click here to learn more about, and I'll just put LM for Legendary Marketer. And then what we can do here is we can put in a link. So I'm just going to click link here, and then I'm just going to put ESPN, but I would link out to my YouTube channel or a YouTube video where I'm talking about Legendary Marketer. You click add just like this, and then it is a hyperlink. You continue writing on, throw in another link, and you just keep writing. Now, if we look at this answer here by Shelly Hopkins, this was answered March 5th, and this is exactly what she did. If we click on this, you can see right here, she has a video that takes us over to Legendary Marketer. If we click on this video, you'll see that this video has thousands of views. In fact, I'm going to click on watch on YouTube just to show you that this actually works. So we're going to pause it so that she doesn't, so we don't watch the ad here. But if we scroll down here, first thing that we want to see is the number of views that this particular answer got. It has 1,500 views and it has 1 upvote. But if we look at her YouTube channel, this video alone, 357 views. Now, the reason why this is important is if we look at her channel overall, this is one of her highest viewed videos, is this 357. Now, I'm not trying to disparage Shelly Hopkins at all. I watch her content, so that's how I know about her content. But I know that this is one of her most viewed videos simply because she followed this process. If we look, Legendary Marketer 2.4, that's not the one that popped up. The one that is linked to her Quora account is somewhere here. It's actually right here. So 357, one of her most viewed videos, but this is the exact way that you want to do it. And I'll just repeat the process one more time so that you are aware. We go over to Quora.com, or excuse me, we go over to ahrefs.com. It's a paid tool. You put in Quora.com in the Site Explorer. You change the position to between 1 and 10, so 10 is the max, so that you are answering questions that only show up on the front page of Google. Then you want to change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. You can also do 20 or less, but I recommend that you stay 10 or less, so that gives you the best chance of your answer ranking. And then make sure that you add in your keyword. Now, this can work for weight loss. This could work for basket weaving, or lead magnets, lead generation if you were promoting email marketing. So if we look at this, is Gatorade Zero good for weight loss? That has a keyword difficulty of 10, 600 monthly searches, weight loss, stretch marks. You could create content on how to reduce stretch marks and then promote whatever vitamin out there that helps them with that. But you can see this, that people are asking questions about weight loss, and you can go through and cherry pick them. And you can, if you wanted to, you could actually sort this by the position on Google. So if you only wanted to answer questions that were the top position on Google, you could do this. Let's see, eating 200 calories a day, weight loss, you could answer that question. If we click on this one, you would simply just go through and repeat the process. You answer the question, and then you link them to either a YouTube channel, a blog post, or a landing page. Now, if you have an ebook to help people with weight loss, this could be a good opportunity, but this works for anything. What you could do is you could go over to a website like ClickBank or Digistore24 and find different products. One that I had on here was YouTube automation. So we'll go YouTube automation, hit enter. Basically, YouTube automation or cash cow channels allow people to benefit from the YouTube Partner Program without actually having to create videos. Now, if we look at this, you can see there are 18 keywords, but some of these, what is YouTube automation? 1,200 searches per month, 1,200 views per month, keyword difficulty of 3. It is on the 4th position in Google. So you could go through and answer these questions. You could do something like cash cow, just like that. That's basically the same thing as YouTube automation. And you could see what pops up and simply answer these questions. Once again, not too difficult. There isn't a ton of traffic, but still, this is an opportunity to get in front of highly targeted people, answer the questions, and then direct them to wherever you want to go. Now, once again, I recommend sending people to a YouTube channel, a landing page, and or your blog post. The key will be not to be too spammy. Simply answer the question and solve problems, and recommend the YouTube channel to further learn more about it. Again, you could do the old way that I mentioned, where you go to Quora, you search your niche, and you go down and try and find answers, but you might be competing with tons of people. In fact, let's click on this one right here, is affiliate marketing worth it on Reddit. So what we can do is we can copy this web page URL, and then we can put this right into Ahrefs, and then we can see how difficult or easy this would be to rank and compete for. If we take a look here, it doesn't get any keywords, so you could potentially be wasting your time answering this type of question. If we look here, is affiliate marketing worth it on Reddit? It has, let's take a look. There's 3 answers. The top answer has 5 views. So doing it through the process that I mentioned, that's going to allow you to get much more views, get in front of much more targeted people, and potentially make even more money. Now that you know the right way to make money with affiliate marketing in Quora, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.